By default, interactions will display on the sidebar and pause the video playback. However, instructors can adjust the setting to place interactions overlay on the video or become a durational interaction that will not pause the video and display it to learner in the selected time frame. To adjust the placement, please click on the interaction to enter the edit mode and select placement. Click the gray area to place the interaction. And instructors can also preview the placement on the right side of the screen. If the interaction is placed overlay on the video, there will be an advanced option for instructors to fine-tune the placement. The left and top options will adjust the distance between the interaction and the left and top border. The width and height options will adjust the size of the interaction. The expandable option will allow learner to expand the interaction to full screen when clicking on the expand icon. The collapsible option will allow learner to minimize the interaction when click on the collapse icon. The dark mode option will change the color schema to a dark mode, and the opacity sidebar can adjust the opacity of the interaction's background. Once all set, click Done to save the change. To adjust the timing of this interaction, please click the Timing tab and drag the green flag to the desired timestamp. If the instructor wants to create a durational interaction without pausing the video, please click on the interaction to enter the edit mode. Expand the advanced settings and uncheck the interaction is required and interaction pause video playback options. Then click the timing tab on the top. Click Advanced to expand the advanced settings and enter the start and end times for this interaction. To acquire the timestamp for the interaction, please copy the timestamp by clicking on the timecode from the lower left corner. Instructors can also use the green and red flags to adjust the timing. Once all set, click Done to save the change.